Yes.
Yes, your lordship.
What is this? अच्छा, ठीक है। Okay, अच्छा, ठीक है। हाँ।
In
Yes.
the morning, I'm sitting in accommodation, Lord.
Regarding?
Item number 17, Lordship. And the petitioner has not consented, Lordship, but the fact is that I have not produced the record. The record is not with me, and one of the respondents has filed a ballot number.
Item 7. Item
17.
7 is a contract.
17.
17.
He is appearing and he will file. I think the respondent, private respondent has appeared, Lordship.
Item 17, recall of settlement order.
Yes, Lordship.
So you're not working. He's not operating the fishery, that means.
No. We have settled it through tender process.
Oh, you have settled it to a third party.
Through tender process.
Whatever, to
Yes.
a third
Yes,
party.
yes. They have challenged that part, Lordship.
They have challenged that person's settlement.
Yes, Lordship. We have withdrawn the tender notice.
So who is for the present operator of the fishery?
He is respondent.
You're the operator. Who is the petitioner?
Petitioner, he has not. He is saying that he is a party petitioner. As a petitioner, he is not consenting to give mention, Lordship. But here, Lordship.
Where is your senior?
Lordship, he is another courtroom, Lordship.
Well, yes, you
Lordship,
take it up when
I may not be there. I have some personal problems.
okay, which date? 21.
But he may ask for affidavit, filing affidavit, Lordship. Today he has appeared, first day.
Okay, how much time do you want?
1 week.
1 week. And when were you settled with the fishery?
23.
2023, my lord.
Oh, you're operating it since 23, so no hurry. Okay. Mr.
A.S. Tapadar, man.
A.S. Tapadar appearing for the. Before that, Miss, what is your name?
D. Datta, Lordship.
D. Datta appears on behalf of Mr.
Laskar.
S.B. Laskar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. P. Sharma, learned counsel for the fishery.
AFDC, Lordship.
AFDC submits that he has not brought the records and needs some more time to produce the same. Mr.
A.S. Tapadar.
A.S. Tapadar, learned counsel for the respondent number
6.
6 is granted. How much time?
2 weeks.
2 weeks time to file affidavit in a position where is granted. List the matter on. Give a date.
Next page, Lordship, I did to mention for listing a WBC, Lordship, where Lordship the operation of the Lordship, the state for opening the financial bit, Lordship. Here Lordship the supply of the dietary item to the central jail of Assam, Lordship. So Lordship on 14th, Lordship.
My lord, I beg to mention one item for unlisted motion today, my lord. There is urgency, my lord.
What is the urgency?
Yes, my lord. My lord, it's a tender process, my lord. In the tender document, onboard catering for railways, my lord, trains were numbered. My lord, 5 trains. Now LOA also, they allotted that 5 numbers of train. In the meantime, my lord, they have changed the trains. Train numbers, routes, everything, my lord, where we were interested. That is the thing, my lord. And on 7th, they have issued letter for handing over tomorrow. We have filed yesterday and we have come before Lordship today.
Okay.
And my lord, in that we are objecting counsel from the Delhi is in BC.
Huh?
Counsel from the Delhi is in BC. We are objecting, your lordship.
Objecting to what? The listing.
Unlisting.
Why?
Because we need further instruction.
We'll see. He wants listing. What is there? We'll list it. You can submit your objections then. At 2.
Deeply
Okay.
At 2.
Item number 29.
Yes.
These are listed on 9-9. So wrongly listed.
9. Item?
Item 29.
Item 29 was to be listed when?
9-9. Order is there.
Okay, right. Item 9, item 29. Mr. B. Gogoi, learned counsel for the.
PWP.
This is a contempt matter.
What a response.
For the respondent submits that the matter has wrongly been listed today, as the matter was to be listed on 9-9. So stop. List the matter on 9-9.
May I feel this? I beg to mention for listing one motion matter.
When?
Monday, man.
What is the matter about?
A matter of settlement by settlement extension by the state government. That matter.
Okay, Monday.
Item 18 may be fixed after 2 weeks, Lordship. I have taken the consideration of that fight, Lord.
18.
18, Lord.
Where is your affidavit?
That is why, Lordship.
That is why. They say that. They then.
Well, this is the admitted amount, my lord, and part payment
Let-
has already been made. And I
Let
think
him
it-
file his affidavit. Mr. N. Upadhyay, prays for
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Praise the Lord. This is the matter after 2 weeks.
any date may be fixed, my lord, after 2 weeks, my lord. And then.
Give September.
Fine. 6th of September.
Obliged, Lord. Highly obliged.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I beg to mention item number 34 of today's list. my lord.
Yes.
Lord, yesterday we have received an affidavit in opposition, my lord. I
Okay.
need 2 weeks
Lordship,
time
I
to
have
file.
filed affidavit in
resign.
present.
Okay. Right. So is there any stay order here?
No.
Okay, Mr. A.R. Bhuyan, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he needs how much time?
2 weeks,
2 weeks time to file affidavit in reply
my lord.
to the affidavit filed by the
Transport Department.
Transport Department. Ms. M.D. Bora appears for the Transport Department.
Lordship.
This is the matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 31, your Lordship.
Yes.
This matter is infractions, your Lordship.
Where's the petitioner?
I am the petitioner.
Where is the petitioner? That Birina Tourist Lodge. Was that,
The settlement, your Lordship.
no, was that document fabricated or not?
There are instructions we don't have, your Lordship.
Right.
31,
31. Acha, this is different.
different.
This is different. This is not Birina. Settlement of fishery, that one, no?
Yes, your Lordship. To settle for 3 years, it is already over.
You did not submit call deposit out there. Mr.
R.R. Gogoi.
R.R. Gogoi, appearing for the petitioner submits that the matter has become infracted. Accordingly, the writ petition dismissed as infracted. Yes,
Obliged, Lord.
May I please, your lordship, I pray for listing a matter for motion, lordship, on
Yes.
Monday.
what is the matter about?
Matter regarding lordship, the petitioner are operating a cart over their own patta land, but the respondents authority is now going to settle this patta land. They are going to operate their ferry service over our patta land, lordship. On Monday, lordship. Obliged, lordship.
Yes,
Thank you, your lordship. I beg to mention item number 13 on behalf of H. Gupta Radek CS.
13.
13, 1, 3, Musan. Due to personal difficulty, he did not come to the court to pay tax.
Okay.
Mr.
Mr. Who, H. Gupta.
H. Gupta, lordship.
Right, adjournment prayer has been made on behalf of Mr. H. Gupta. You are challenging the award.
Lordship, I am not aware, I have not been.
Okay. This is the matter after a week.
Wait, please, your
Obliged.
lordship. I beg to mention item number 13. Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of A. Samoa. We have returned the file to the petitioner long back, and the name is still shown on several occasions.
I think this matter is infractuous
Probably, lordship.
because you were settled with the market earlier, correct?
I have no idea. It's been more than a year only. We have returned it.
Just give me the file, the item 30. You are basically aggrieved with the market being run by the respondent number 6 in this case, saying that it is an illegal market. I don't know. Item 30. What to do? Okay, right. Miss, what is your name?
And Decca.
First of all, your name is not here.
I'm appearing on behalf of A. Samoa.
And you want to withdraw from the case, but you are not even the counsel here. Miss
And Decca.
Ndeka, appearing on behalf of Mr. A. Chamwa, learned counsel for the petitioner submits, you see, there's a list of names, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All 8 of you are not going to appear, or what?
Sorry, Lordship.
There are 8 petitioners' names, petitioners' council's name. So all 8 of you are not going to appear,
No,
or
Lordship.
what?
Yes, Lordship. All of them are not going to appear.
Submits that the petitioner has taken back his brief more than a year ago. And the following councils are not going to, and are as such not going to appear on behalf of the petition. Cannot appear on behalf of the petition. Ms. Ndeka shall submit the petitioner's council shall submit a letter in this regard before the registry, informing them of this, informing that they will not be appearing for the petitioner as the brief has been taken back by the petitioner. List the matter on next week.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Okay, one thing you write, huh? Before this, after this, the matter, you said this matter appears to be infructuous, this is. No, this is on perusal of the case record, the matter appears to be infructuous, this is.
May I please?
Item 1,
Yes, Lordship. May I please, Your Lordship?
is it hit by section 20?
Yes, Lordship.
Now what to do?
Lordship,
File a fresh writ?
Lordship, what happened in the last year during the time of election? The department has told us that due to the code of conduct, they could not release our money. Now they are denying to pay any amount to us. Already in the WBC number 3913/2021.
Lordship, hit by 20, Lordship.
Ah,
Hit by 20, then we cannot, Lordship. We have to file.
you file a fresh writ, we'll pass the order. We'll pass a similar order straight away. First day you file you just say that because of section 20, we had to withdraw the writ, we had to destroy the contempt. Withdraw the contempt. First day itself will pass the order. You file it next week, we'll pass the order.
Similar item number 2 also same.
I know. I was thinking I'll issue notice, but then at one stage or the other, they're going to take the plea of section 20.
Yes, we always.
That's pretty amazing.
Unable to. think
Right,
time
Mr.
and
R. K.
labor.
Mazumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner who submitted that he may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition, the contempt petition as it is hit by section 20 of the Contempt of Courts Act. He submits that the petitioner will be filing a fresh writ petition in this regard. The prayer of the petitions counsel has allowed, contempt petition stands dismissed. Stands dismissed as withdrawn. 2 also same.
May I please? This reparation has been prepared not challenging the order dated 5/1/2024 by which the petitioners aircraft soft license has been cancelled by it.
License because you have misappropriated the rice.
That is the allegation, my lord,
Allegation.
but the complainant, my lord, which is SMR number 9 and 10, my lord, they have never filed any complaint, my lord. They have also clarified that they never filed any complaint, my lord, against the petitioner, my lord.
Where?
And is-
Anyway, you see, whether they filed a complaint or not, that is not the issue.
Yes.
When they have found that you have
Clarification, my lord, is that case,
misappropriated,
my lord?
why don't you file an appeal before the concerned authority,
Yes, I have filed my appeal, my lord.
before the DC?
Yeah.
It
No,
should
my
be
lord.
before the deputy.
Commissioner, my lord.
It should be before the deputy commissioner.
You have to file it before the deputy commissioner.
It has been filed before the, my lord, commissioner, my lord. Before the commissioner, my lord, and
You file it before the deputy
deputy
commissioner.
commissioner has passed the impeachment order.
Who?
Deputy Commissioner.
No, no.
Eh,
The SDO civil has passed there.
Yes, my lord.
SDO civil is a officer lower than the DC. In terms of that order, 1982 order. And since they have already availed of the alternative remedy available, but to the wrong authority, you file it to the correct authority. And you decide within a specified time period.
Lordship,
Yes, my lord.
I think that's the best.
lordship, lordship.
Heard, Mr.
Yes, Islam.
S. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner has been given a fair price shop license for the village Bhatna Paiti Char under MS Bhagmara Char GPSS Limited. However, the petitioner's fair price shop license has been cancelled while the impugned office order dated 5/1/2024 issued by the subdivisional officer Sadar, Barpita on the ground that the petitioner had misappropriated NFSA rights. Correct?
Yes, yes.
NFSA rights. Yes, sir. The petitioner's counsel submits that the petitioner had also filed an appeal under clause 29 bracket C of the Assam Public Distribution of Articles Order, 1982, hereinafter referred to as the 1982 order. As no decision was being taken by the commissioner, food public distribution and consumer affairs and legal metrology. The petitioner has approached this court. It would not be food public distribution, it would be food and civil supplies, I think.
Food supply, consumer affairs.
It will be Commissioner, Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs. And Food, Civil Supplies, Consumer Affairs and Legal Metrology, Good stuff. Mr. K. Gogoi, the learned counsel for the respondent,
Lordship, I am for S 1 to 7, lordship.
1 to 7. Submits that in terms of the 1982 order, an appeal, an order, the order issued by the subdivisional officer, civil, Barpeta, will have to be appealed against, will have to be challenged in appeal before the deputy commissioner / district commissioner. Under clause 29B.
Lordship.
Next. In view of clause 29B, providing the remedy for providing a provision for appeal against the impugned order issued by the SDOC Barpita, This court is of the view that the alternative remedy provided under the 1982 order should be availed of. So, accordingly, the petitioner, accordingly, this writ petition is dismissed, with liberty being given to the petitioner to file an appeal. But is it, when was the order issued? 5/1? 5/1/24.
5/1/2024.
Okay, but you filed your appeal.
Yes, before the decision.
Okay. And what have I said?
Instead of dismissed, my lord, it should be disposal.
Okay, it's disposed of. It's disposed of. Don't say dismissed. It's disposed of.
And my lord may condone the limitation part because.
With
to-
liberty being given to the petitioner to file an appeal under section 29, clause 29(2) of the 1982 order.
Before the
1982 order. Before the deputy commissioner / district commissioner,
Yes,
Barpita.
Barpita.
Full stop. As the petitioner had filed an appeal within time, but before the wrong authority, comma, this court is of the view that the appeal to be filed by the petitioner should be condoned.
Yes.
Comma, provided the appeal is filed within
15 days.
15 days from today.
Disposal my lord after.
The how much time period?
Petitioner paid for 2 months, so lordship,
Okay.
2 months. lordship.
The deputy commissioner. No, if the appeal is filed within 15 days, comma, the district commissioner, Barpita, should dispose of the appeal within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of the appeal, which should be accompanied with a certified copy of this.
1 month, my lord.
The writ petition is accordingly disposed of.
Within 1 month, within 1 month.
If it was here, if we issued notice, it will take 2 years.
Madam, notice may be issued.
Not a similar matter,
Yes.
already
Madam, notice there is a.
Why?
covered.
Madam, I have to take instruction and file affidavit, madam.
Why?
Madam, there is a question of madam hand also, madam, release of,
Question of fund is a question between you and her,
yes, madam.
between you and the water resource department.
Madam, I'll take instruction. madam.
That fund, though, you solve that issue between you two.
Yes,
Why
madam.
should she be bothered about whether you have funds or not?
That will be given to take instruction, madam.
What instruction is required?
Madam, regarding.
You are not the authority to verify the bill. The verification has to be done by the water resource department. Then,
But the.
so she is not making that submission. Why should she make?
My stand is we have already released the state area, lordship, only this one is the central area.
Yes, madam.
Huh? So, you release the share.
But admission should be there, your lordship.
Admission by whom? By you.
By verification of the
liability
statement is there,
Huh?
admitted amount, lordship.
Come to annexure 1, page 12.
Yes, your lordship, liability is given, liability statement has been annexed.
How do we know that this page 13 was enclosed?
Lordship.
How do we know that page 13 was is an annexure of page 12?
Okay, but the petitioner's name is there on the top.
No,
Name of
please
the
read,
contractor.
madam. It says with reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to submit here with the reply of RTI information as desired by you. This has approval of so and so, enclosed as above. Enclosed as above means which one?
Notice that if they don't next week, we will take instruction.
Okay. Right. Heard Miss R.R. K.K. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the petitioner's contractual dues amounting to rupees 4,68,596 pertaining to the contract work completed by the petitioner, that is RS to T dike along both banks of page 13, it is here, huh? Put it in between blue, okay? This is here, huh? Just look at this. Page 13. Has not been paid to the petitioner till date. Miss. Miss A. Gyan for the respondent number 1 and Miss R. Deka for the response number 2 to 6 shall obtain instructions with regard to the above. This is the matter when
28 August, your lord.
28 August. 28 August?
Yes.
Okay, 28 August.
Lordship, item 10, similar matter.
Okay, item 10 is similar. Same, but the amount is different.
Amount is different.
What is the amount?
Amount is 8 lakhs, Lordship.
Huh?
There's two scheme, 8,70,326.
Two schemes.
Lordship.
It's not similar then. Show me.
Page 16, Lordship.
Okay, two schemes, but what is the work? Acha, okay, huh? That work is at page 14, huh? Two contracts. No, how much? Three?
Lordship, schemes are different. And page 23, Lordship.
You said 16.
16 is, name of the scheme is different, Lordship.
Where is the name of
Page
the-
16 and
page-
page 23,
So you have done various works, huh?
Lordship.
Okay,
Various,
for various works, okay? In respect of scheme's name is here, huh? At page 16, one is here. Various works in respect of the scheme, so and so, and page 23.
three.
Okay, here, huh? At page 20. What is the total amount?
Lordship, page 23
No, full
is
stop.
One.
She submits that the total contractual dues amounting to rupees
8,70,300,
8, comma 70, comma
326.
326.
And, Lordship, there's one more.
I said total, madam. That's why I said total. Please listen to what we say.
Lordship, it's 10 lakh, 36,700,
10, comma
Six.
36, comma
670.
670, huh?
Public.
From where you digging up all these cases, madam? So out here, here Miss
number will change.
C Bora, no, C Bora for the petitioner. Then who appears for the respondent number 2 and 3?
No, I pay.
Earlier this H Barwa was there. Who is there now? Mr. S Bora,
I am paying for all the respondents.
you appear for all.
All three respondents.
Okay. Heard Miss C Bora, learn counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S Bora, learn counsel for all the respondents. Then this again 2020, 21.
Got
That's
it.
same thing. So part 2, 3. First, the invitation to bid IFB dated 28/1/21, same.
Everything is, package number will change.
Package number, what is the package number?
CNB oblique 84.
84.
84.
And this, what is the amount?
Amount what you will get in page number 89, that is 49,999, 49 lakhs 99,000.
49 lakhs
99.
99,000. That's all. Then, what letter of acceptance is the same?
Letter
5/5/21.
Letter dated 3/5/2021.
3/5/2000, page number 88.
Letter of acceptance issued by the respondent. 3/5.
Yes.
3/5.
Then the show cause notice again 8/6/21.
86.
And then the approximately 25 to 30% done.
Yes,
Then your reply to the show cause is dated 10/6 or 12/6?
yes,
What? Which one? Yes. Yes means what?
8/6/2021.
8/6. Stating that 30% of the work has been completed, correct?
Correct.
So termination is 12/6.
Propose will be 10/6.
Huh?
10/6.
What?
Page number 99.
Show cause cannot be 10/6.
Because it is here, it is 10/6.
Is it? Show cause cannot be 10/6. Yes.
Page 91 to 93 is the show cause, and it is signed on 10/6/2021.
Then you there was a
Reply to the show cause.
reply to the when is the show cause?
Show cause is 8/6/21.
8/6/2021.
Page number
Page
90.
number 90.
Acha,
Yes.
show. Acha, wait. Okay, issue of notice to proceed with work is 11/5.
Yes,
Show cause is 8/6.
8/6.
so cause 8/6.
Show cause 8/6. Then reply is, you see, in one or two cases, the reply was same day.
8/6.
That's why. In this one, it is 8/6.
8/6.
The same date. What is
Yes.
wrong? When did you file this writ petition? When? Why wait? Or what? 31/7. What's which one? 31/7. 2 dates. Which one is correct?
C will be there, in the main case.
31/7. Today is what date?
9th.
Okay. We have disposed of one matter just 4 days earlier.
Okay.
Hey, the cost item is done. All this.
No, there is a lawsuit, the matter relates to non-payment of contract bill lawsuit.
Okay, heard, Mr.
Arya.
R.A. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the contractual dues of the petitioner amounting to rupees 2,71,563 has not been paid. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Miss A. Gayan accept notice on behalf of
5 and 6.
5 and 6. Who appears for 1 to 4?
What's your line for one?
Miss J. Gogoi appears for respondents number 1 to 4. What about accountant general?
Accountant general
Why is accountant general necessary?
necessary. Detail
Okay,
also
right. Madam, this is also same.
Covered case,
matter.
lordship, it is covered case, lordship. Lordship, it is covered case. The series of matter has been disposed of.
Huh?
This is also covered case, lordship.
I don't know.
I have the order of the. I should kindly say annex of 3, page 16, liability statement.
How much is the amount?
About 2,71,560,000 is to be paid. lordship. They have only paid for 28,400.
Uh,
I have also
and the counsel for the respondent shall obtain instructions in this case, list the matter on same date.
Same date.
We have 2 other cases were fixed for certain date. Let them get some chance.
lordship. Item 33 also similar matter.
33.
Yes, sir. They have also filed their affidavit, lordship. Experiment number 2.
We'll take it up. We'll take it up. Just we'll take it up later. Okay, since they are here, let them bring it. 30?
33.
33. So it can be disposed of.
Yes, lordship.
Where is the? Okay, so this is the admission. How much is the amount?
Amount, lordship, 31,45,616 rupees.
There are 15 work orders. No, 5. How many work orders are
Kindly see
here?
Annex 3, page 26.
In next year, 3 page.
26, lordship.
So there are how many? 15. 15 works.
Yes.
Yes, madam.
Sir.
Huh?
That's received. Central share we have not received fully.
Huh?
We have not received central.
That is a different thing. He has not received. Out here, you have admitted that he has done the work. He has done the work.
Yes, sir.
You see, whether you have received or not, that is not his problem. That is between you two. You solve the issue. Okay. So yes, madam, any comments to make?
Under here, 90% and 10%, the share of state is 10% and our share is 90%.
So
So
why don't you give the 90%? What's stopping you?
Yes, ma'am.
Who has told you to stop payment?
My lord, after due formalities, my lord.
As per the earlier
As per
orders
that
passed,
order.
that Jal Shakti case, then you take, heard Mr.
Ariam.
R.A. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Miss
J. Gogol.
J. Gogoi for respondents number
What will it? So, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
Miss
And 5 and 6.
A. Gayan appears for respondents number 5 and 6. None appears for respondent number 7. The matter pertains to the non-payment of the contractual dues of the petitioner for the 15 works, now amounting to rupees. How much?
Total amount 41 lakhs 76,600
41, comma,
76
76, comma,
613.
613.
And paid 10 lakhs 30,997.
Comma, minus the amount of rupees 10,
lakhs
comma,
30
30, comma,
997. 997.
997. Already paid to him. That is how much is the amount?
31,45,000
31, comma 40,
five
45, comma
616.
616. Good, sir. Next para. The petitioners council submits that the petitioner was given 15 works
Yes, sir.
under the scheme at page 26. It is there, RS to dike, T dike fences. Can you see? Though the petitioner had completed the said work, comma, the petitioner has not been given his entire contractual dues. Full stop. He has also referred to the letter number MGWRD / W dash 275 / PT dash Roman 3 / 2014 dash 15 / 2375 bracket 1 dash Roman 15, no, Roman 16, dated 8/1/2015, issued by the executive engineer, Morrigan Water Resource Division, and the annexure therein, showing that
That's a 3.
the petitioner had completed 15 works under the above said scheme, and that he was to be paid the balance amount of 31,45,616. Ms. J. Gogoi, learned counsel for the respondent numbers 1 to 4, submits that in terms of the affidavit filed by the respondent number 2, comma, the respondents have admitted, respondent number 2 has admitted to the fact that the petitioner was duly allotted and had completed 15 works under the above said scheme. She also submits that the central government and the state government are to pay the, are to give, are to make the funds available, with the central share being 90% and the state government share being 10%. She submits that while the state government has already paid their share, comma, the central government has not submitted their entire share. Ms. A. Gayan submits that what? That if the bills of the petitioner are correct in all respects, comma, and the state government makes a claim for the funds after having verified the works completed by the petitioner, comma, the central government would have to pay the said amount. Correct? Next paragraph. I have heard the learned counsel for the parties. The letter dated 8/1/2015 issued by the executive engineer, Morrigan Water Resource Division, shows that the petitioner had completed 15 works under the scheme RS 2000 page 26. The petitioner has been paid 10,30,997, and the balance amount still payable to the petitioner is 31,45,616. Next paragraph. Para 5 of the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 2 states as follows. As it is not, as the stand of the petitioner is not controverted by the respondents in their affidavit, comma, the petitioners, the respondents would have to or but this is by the assistant chief. Anyway, it's okay. The respondents would have to pay to the petitioner the admitted amount in terms of the judgment of sense of in that other matter we put it. I'll complete it later. Side, you have to add that early judgment. You got it?
Yes, Lordship.
That's
We'll put this later. Take it from para 5, after that. Para 5, 6, 7. Yes. 7.
May I please your lordship? In this matter, I'm PWD registered contractor and I get awarded the contract as a L1 bidder. And
Yes,
I can have the instruction.
right. Right. The petitioner heard Mr.
RK Mazumdar.
R.K. Mazumdar, who submits that the petitioner was issued letter of acceptance for construction of a building pursuant to road. Road. Construction of a road pursuant to NIT dated 8/12/2023. Letter of acceptance dated 7/3/2024. As he was the lowest bidder. So, however, notice to proceed with the work has not been issued by the respondents. Mr. B. Gogoi, appearing for the PWRD, shall obtain instructions by the next date. List the matter on when?
After 1 week. There will be on 5th or on.
Okay.
Month.
My lord, the issue involved in this case is already, my lord, series of petition has been filed. And although I'm little bit late, my lord.
Very late.
No, that's why, my lord, the lordship kindly tag with that, my lord, already in other cases, all other cases. MSC.
But then, no, but which fishery are you talking about?
No, I'm the intending tender, my lord. I'm intending.
Was given in Bonnie's case.
Huh?
Lordship was given in some cases, Lordship, in intending bidder.
I'm intending tender.
Okay, I heard Mr. T.J. Mahanta, learned senior counsel, assisted by R.M. Barwa. The petitioner's grievance is that he is an intending tender for settlement of the various fisheries, oxbow lakes, etc. within the state of Assam. However, in view of the NIT issued by the NIT dated 5/6/24 issued by the Principal Secretary, Missing Autonomous Council, Bogamuk, the settlement of the fishery is attempted to be made by an authority which cannot do so. He submits that similar matters have been fixed for
Hearing. Fixed for hearing, fixed WPC 3065.
where? We have fixed some matters also.
No, Lordship, yes, on 20, Lordship, court number 17 has fixed as a part of matter, Lordship.
Okay.
All missing matters.
Yes. He has
All missing matters he cannot, only those matters which are before him.
That matter same
He
tender.
can,
Under the same tender, maybe.
Huh?
Only
Only that particular issue. That means 15 meters he has taken.
Leave the matter on
20. Others.
20th.
Can it be a tag lordship?
It will go like that only.
And my lord, your lordship can issue notice in this case, my lord.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, issue notice. Mr. I will issue notice returnable in 2 weeks, Mr. P. Sharma accept notice on behalf of
Fishery department.
Fishery Department. While Miss
And FDC also. FDC also is here.
Fishery Department, FDC, and Miss P. Bora
For NSC.
You see, no.
appears on behalf of Mr. S. Bhattakur, counsel for the MAC. Mr. K. Huh? Registry to reflect the name of Mr. S. Bhattakur in the causeway. Mr. K. Gogoi appears
My name
for.
also. My name is also.
No, no, not important.
No,
Your name is,
fishery is not.
your name is everywhere, no need.
Fishery is not there. Fishery, my name is not required, lordship. Only the SC fishery is required. Otherwise, I will not be able to.
Okay, and SC Fisheries in the causeway, so. Mr. K. Gogoi appears for respondent number 62. And this is the, I fixed some matters also.
Yes, yes, your lordship also please some matter.
When was this? When did I fix?
19th,
This is the matter on 19th.
DPW, apply.
Very pleased, lordship. My lord, I am a businessman, my lord. I have a small business and I obtained
Yes.
trade license from the Dhubri municipality. And that trade license was renewed up to 31/3/2025.
Where is the notice 1824? Where is the cancellation?
Page 26.
So no notice was issued to you.
No notices. And my lord, my license was renewed up to 31/3/2025.
Who is appearing for the other side? P&E department, who's this? The commerce.
No, we don't have.
Industry and commerce.
In the sense of I am paying lots, but we don't have any role in this. 4 and 5 has to respond to this.
Anyway, so that is third, Mr.
AC Sharma.
A.C. Sharma, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. and Rama. The petitioner's case is that the petitioner has been given a trade license by the respondent number,
Dhubri municipality.
by the Dhubri municipality,
Board.
by the
Dhubri-
Dhubri Municipal Board. And the validity of the same is to expire on 31/3/2025. However, by the impugned letter dated 1/8/2024, the petitioner's license has been cancelled without issuing any prior notice. He submits that the trade license has been cancelled on the ground that the same was found to be incorrect/wrong. Issue notice returnable in 3 weeks. Mr. A. Kalita accept notice on behalf of
1 and 2 lots.
1 and 2, while Mr. King Gugoi accept notice on behalf of point number 3.
1 and 3 lots.
1 and, huh?
No. Yes, lots of, I have it for 2 lots.
So Kalita for 2 and Mr. King Gugoi for 1 and 3. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon the respondent's number 4 and 5 by registered post office AD within the course of the day, by today. What's up? list the matter on given it. Retrieve. In the interim, the impugned order dated 1/8/2024.
Improved notice.
Huh?
Improved notice dated.
No, it does not say notice. Where does it say notice? Where does it say notice?
No, improved order.
Huh? Is there-
Sorry,
Impugned letter dated 1/8/2024. Shall be kept in abeyance till the next returnability.
hello.
So yeah, our registration has been cancelled, my lord. Imprint cancellation is page 239.
Page
239. Two, 3, 9.
Yes, what does it say?
My lord, with reference to the above, I am to inform that your registration has been cancelled permanently under section 36(1)(I) of the Pharmacies Act and remove your name from the register of Assam Pharmacy Council as you have failed to submit any relevant document justifying your qualification to substitute your eligibility to register as pharmacist in terms of so and so, so and so, so and so. Now, this is a reference of Exhibit Committee Resolution 6 dated 17/8/2022 and confirmed by State Council under section 36(3) of the Pharmacy Act 121/2023. Now, this impugn notice has been issued without giving us the Executive Committee resolution as well as the confirmation made by the State Council. And as a result, we are unable to move to the appellate forum, my lord, that is available under 36(4) of the Pharmacies Act, my lord. Now, Lordship has already, a similar matter has been already decided by the Lordship.
One 1/23. When did you receive this? This order is of 1/1/23.
My lord.
This order that has been passed by this court was on April 24. No, March 24. March 24.
Also, well, their
Ah.
orders. It is annexed in the writ petition itself, 349.
349.
Right. That relevant will be, my lord, page 351. Para 5.
Okay, so we'll dispose it of in this line.
My lord.
Lordship,
You give them a copy of those resolutions
yes, my lord.
and then they go in appeal before the
Only
concerned
thing, my lord,
authority.
as far as the interim part is concerned, it is very clearly mentioned in page 352 of the order annexed to the writ petition. That it will be, my lord, till the date of receiving those resolution, they may get some protection, thereafter not. But my lord, since they have come after such a long time, more than a year, probably that protection won't be necessary in this.
Yes, it's too
They
late.
come after, my lord, after
You
it.
come, you're sitting on the fence.
Yes.
That's the problem.
So para 5, my lord, Lordship may see, my lord, page 351 of the writ petition. It's very clearly given, my lord.
But let it be there till the time they get the documents, then they can go and approach their order.
No, that part they will go. But so far as the staying the cancellation of registration, that probably in this case after 1 year. Because they
Fence sitters.
are fancy.
Because they have to provide the resolution copy, my lord. And this interim letter does not show that they have provided the executive committee resolution as well as the state confirmation.
When did you get these impugn orders?
Was
It's okay, same, Mr. Gogoi, I think same order. We do not know. Right. Heard, Mr.
yes, sir.
S. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioners, who submit that the petitioners are aggrieved by the cancellation notice made under section 36(1) bracket Roman 1 small of the Pharmacy Act 1948. 36 bracket 1, then bracket again, 2 brackets, then Roman 1 small of the Pharmacy Act 1948. Dated 1/1/2023. 1/1/2023. Is it 1/1 or 1/6?
1/6.
1/6.
1/6.
1/6/2023.
Para 19 of the petition, page 42. They have admitted that in June 2023, they have got the cancellation.
Oh.
Para 19.
Then, Mr. Counsel,
That
we are
protection may not be
late.
there, that let them
You go,
approach the
you go
council.
there.
Now, we'll move to the appropriate
Yeah,
one,
within a
but
time
they have
frame
to provide the executive committee
That-
resolution.
that-
Within a time frame. Within a time
Will
frame.
within a month.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
within a
If
month?
that is provided, till then this imping order may be.
No, now my lord cannot be,
Because
it's too late.
Until.
No, no, Mr. Counsel, the problem is
My lord.
your license has been cancelled in June.
Yes.
My lord,
Others came straight away.
my lord.
You have been without a license for more than a year now. How can we suddenly
Now
come
it
back
will
to
be
a,
revived.
supposing we issue status quo? Then now the status quo will be as if you don't have a license.
Understood, my lord, but only that they have to provide. had it been
Within
they
a
have
month,
provided
within a
the
month.
executive committee resolution, then of course, at that time, we can move to the appellate forum.
Yes.
They have not provided, so I,
No, there, but you have not, where is your representation to them to provide?
Yes.
Where is your representation to them to provide?
my lord,
Where is it
no,
out here?
that lordship then kindly look into that, our honorable high court order at page 191,
191.
oh, my lord.
Yes.
Operating, I think, page 2. Operating page 200, my lord. And there is a direction. 203, Roman
Yes.
9.
Yes.
The decision or order of the executive committee after completing the exercise indicated above shall be communicated to each of the petitioner's pharmacies. In case of any decision taken for deletion or removal of the name of the individual petitioner's pharmacies from the register of so-and-so, the specific reasons for reaching the conclusion we mentioned in the order. So they have to provide this. They have not provided this. Unless this has been provided, we could not move to the appellate forum. This is, they
Appellate
have,
forum is pursuant to the, my lord, Pharmacy Act. Nowhere it has been mentioned that you will have to wait till the executive.
because
resolution is
executive committee
provided.
resolution has to be challenged before that forum under 36(4). Lordships have already discussed.
Anyway, let him, what is there? Just
It will
till,
amount to
till,
reviving, my lord, it will amount to
after
reviving
reviving the thing,
Yes,
yes,
my lord.
yes,
Because
will amount to-
In a
Similar-
interim order, after my lord
Sim-
1 year, can
sim-
that?
Similar,
Ah.
Lord, writ petition has been
For
already
all this
disposed of.
period, 1 year, it will be revived, my lord.
For 4, 5 repetition has been already
My lord,
from this.
they-
No,
honorable
you
court.
see, in those cases,
My lord.
interim orders were passed
Yes,
earlier.
yes, my lord.
No, from the very beginning, I think.
in 23, my lord, page 281. 281, that order was passed in, my lord, 21/7/23 at page 290. Here, my lord, they were closed, my lord, this honorable court after 1 year. 292. One group approached at that time. Thereafter, the writ appeal order, where this first order was passed. And my lord, almost my lord, 3,000 odd pharmacies has been cancelled, my lord. Their license has been cancelled.
But
If
341,
they
my
keep
lord,
on coming in batch, my lord, it will be amounting to, my lord, reviving all the, my lord, such cancellation orders.
341, my lord,
After one.
or 28 May, this has been disposed with the direction, my lord. Similar, what the lordship has decided, my lord. Page 349. Page 341.
Okay.
So, my lord, direction is, my lord, to provide those, my lord, two documents to them within 2 weeks, my lord. Then thereafter, they will get 30 days to, my lord, prepare an appeal. It's up to them, my lord, they can prepare it within a week.
Look, there is a order passed in May 24,
My lord.
with regard to a writ petition filed in 24. Let's give them the same thing.
My lord,
When June has been also disposed.
He also has to
my lord.
show something to his client.
Only thing, my lord, that protection is till the time of.
Till the time he gets the
furnishing of
document, that's all.
document.
Till the time he gets the document.
Outer limit is 2 weeks, my lord.
Huh?
Outer limit is 2 weeks. Within that time.
Whatever you, it depends upon
Yes,
you.
that's right.
The
Outer
quicker you do it,
Yes, yes.
if you do it, you want to do it in one day also.
Yes, yes.
That's okay. Right. Right, Mr. S. Sharma, learned counsel for the petition, who submits that. What is that? Where is that page? What have I said?
Order is put.
Ah, 1/6/2023.
There is a series of 19 imping notice are there.
Okay, different dates, different dates.
Different dates, I will provide those
No,
dates.
no, we'll just say the, in the,
Yes.
issued in the year 2021,
My lord.
2023.
My lord,
But the impugned notices was same dates or different dates?
different dates. So I will provide
Okay,
those dates.
so you just say, under the Pharmacy Act and so, that's all, don't give any dates. Don't give any.
Why I'm saying it there, with the same name, there may be 2, 3 minor pharmacies in the entire state. So that number will be necessary. Or lordship will indicate, my lord, the annexer, so series so and so of the petition.
Then lordship.
They will provide a copy of the.
I will
petition.
provide the date. I will provide the date on which date, 29/4/23. This is
Because the number will be necessary.
Okay, where
Cancellation
is
of-
the, where is the notices?
29/4/2023,
No, next year, which next year?
page 239. my lord. 239. my
Starts
lord.
from 239.
Back here, you just say, which is that? Next year 65. No, so okay, from, which
Page
is,
39
from
onwards,
next year
get the page
65 to, next year
257, my lord. Page number
257. The petitioner's grievance is that prior to the cancellation of the license, comma, they have not been furnished with the executive committee resolution bracket 6 dated 17/8/22 and confirmation by the state council under section 36 bracket 3 of the Pharmacy Act 1948, which was the basis for cancelling the license of the petitioners. The petitioners council submits that as such, the petitioners have not been able to prefer an appeal in terms of section 36 of the Pharmacy Act 1948. He prays that a direction may be issued to the respondents to furnish to the petitioners the executive committee resolution bracket 6 dated 17/8/22 and confirmation by the state council under section 36(3) of the Pharmacy Act 1948. That's all. He also submits that similar cases have been disposed of by this court, one of them being WPC 1543 of 2020. He accordingly prays that the present petition may be disposed of in terms of the order dated 18/3/24 passed in WPC 1543 at 2020. Mr. B. Gogoi, learned counsel for the for whom? For all?
For the Assam Pharmacy Council,
For the Assam
Pharmacy Council.
Pharmacy Council
as a
submits
different
that,
department.
the resolution of the executive committee and the confirmation by the state council would be provided to the petitioners within a period of
2 weeks, madam,
2 weeks
of
From-
receiving the certified copy.
from the date of receiving the certified copy of this order. I've heard the counsels for the parties. On perusing the order dated 18/3/24 passed in WPC 1543/2024. This court finds that the present case is a covered matter and can be disposed of in terms of the order passed in WPC 1543/2020. Accordingly, no, next para. Para 7 and 8, para 7 and 8 of the order dated 18/3/24 passed in 1543/2024 is reproduced herein below as follows. On considering the submissions made by the council for the parties and the order passed in WPC 1543/2024, this writ petition is disposed of with the direction to the respondents to provide to the petitioners the executive committee resolution and confirmation made by the state council within 2 weeks from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order,
Along with the copy of the.
along with a copy of the writ petition. Full stop. The above is subject to the condition that the petitioner submits his, no, don't say that, they'll say, till the resolution of the executive committee and confirmation by the state council is provided to the petitioner, the orders of cancellation of the licenses of the petitioners shall remain suspended. Full stop.
They
The
will-
above,
Within 7 days, they will.
The above is however subject to the condition that the petitioner approach the respondent with a certified copy of this order and a copy of the writ petition within,
10 days.
Within 10 days.
7 days, 7 days.
Lord says that.
within 7 days
7 days.
from today. The writ petition is accordingly disposed of.
Okay. And we are-
This is regarding non-payment of higher charges bill of vehicles, my lord.
Issue notice. Heard Mr. S. Bhattakur, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the petitioner's hire, that the vehicle hire charges amounting to rupees 13,14,417 has not been paid to the petitioner till date. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mr. K. Gogoi accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents, lists the matter after 4 weeks to enable the respondents to file their affidavit.
Made with the lordship. Well, basically the matter relates to reconstitution of this dealership. Now, my lord, initially me and my petitioner number 2 and the husband was there. And at one point of time, following date of the husband, brother-in-law was there. Brother-in-law also died.
How did the brother-in-law come into the picture?
My lord, actually it was an act of coercion on the part of my mother-in-law. Anyway, that's besides the point. Now the question is the reconstitution proposal is pending with the authority. Now, my lord, here on the ground, now they are pressurizing that I should enter into a partnership with sister-in-law. But the question is the impugn order at page 56. Now, this is, my lord, not correct because if there are two partners, if one of the partner dies, then the partnership does not continue. I have connected the Supreme Court order also. Now, if your lordship would kindly come to page 58. Last para. From the above facts and circumstances, the undersigned reiterate that please settle the difference in between the legal heirs of your deceased partner, late Dennis Singh Song, and find out a possible solution permissible under the guidelines and norms of the corporation for reconstitution of the retail outlet. Due to ongoing dispute, business of the retail outlet is decreasing day by day and General Motors is suffering, with resulting damage of the corporation's image and reputation in general public. And if situation is going like this, then corporation will again be compelled to take over the retailer and will run the retail outlets and all. So they are insisting that I should enter into a partnership with my legal heirs of deceased Dennis Singh Song. That's my brother-in-law. Now, if your lordship will kindly come to the Supreme Court judgment.
No, but prior to that, please come to page 57.
Yes.
Death of a partner.
Yes. That due to insolvency, retirement, or death of a partner, the partnership will not be dissolved, but existing partners will immediately constitute the partnership firm with the legal heir of the deceased partner. Precisely, my lord, this is the point which has been dealt with by the Supreme Court. If your lordship, I've annexed that judgment, my lord. That judgment is at page number 23, and I'll have your lordship's kind attention to para 27 at page 33. Now, at para 24 at page 33, my lord, section 42 is quoted. Dissolution on the happening of certain contingencies subject to contract between the partners in a firm is dissolved, C, by death of a partner. Then lordship may skip 25 and 26, please come to 27. In order to arrive at the conclusion that the partnership firms to dissolve on account of death of one of the partners, the High Court had rightly placed reliance on so-and-so, wherein High Court held that in a firm consisting of two partners, on account of death of one of the partners, the firm automatically is dissolved and observed as follows. Partnership normally dissolves on the death of a partner unless there was an agreement to the contrary. There was no such agreement in the original partnership deed. Even assuming that there was such an agreement in a partnership consisting of two partners, on the death of one of them, partnership automatically comes to an end, and there is no partnership which survives into which a third party can be introduced. Hence, on the death of S, the original partnership was dissolved. The subsequent taking of the SSC of a partner was only a result of entering into new partnership between R and the SSC. Partnership was not a matter of heritable status, but purely one of contract. In the light of the aforesaid case, it is clear that when there are only two partners constituting the partnership firm, on the date of one of them, the firm is deemed to be dissolved, despite the existence of a clause which says otherwise. A partnership is a contract between the partners. There cannot be any contract unilaterally without acceptance by the other. So even if there be a clause, even then, my lord, the consequence would be it stands dissolved. That's why that clause 11 on which they're relying is of no consequence. So my lord, therefore, in my humble submission, they should reconstitute the, partnership as a proprietorship as it stood originally. When my husband was originally running this dealership, my lord, it was a proprietorship. Following his death, that brother-in-law was inducted.
Yes,
Now, my lord, kindly see, my lord, who approached this court, my lord? The farm and the petition number 2, my lord. Under what authority, my lord, the petition number 2, my lord, has filed this petition, my lord? If you go by the, my lord, affidavit, my lord. Kindly see page 20, my lord, of the affidavit. 22, my lord.
Entity two.
I am the petitioner of the accompanying application as such. I am well acquainted with the facts and circumstances. And in Costadel, my lord, the petitioner number 1 is a farm, my lord. And in para 28, my lord, the
petition number 2 is the wife.
is the wife, my lord, one of the partners, my lord. But in para 28, my lord, they admitted that on my lord, expiry of my lord, one of the partner, my lord, it got dissolved, my lord, in view of section 42C, my lord. If it is true, my lord, then petition number 1 has no Lucas, my lord. Now, my lord, kindly see, my lord.
Will issue notice. Sir.
Yes, ma'am. And my lord, there is a suppression of fact, my lord. After demise of the my lord, husband of the petitioner, my lord. They both the my lord, petition number 2 and petition response number 4, my lord, applied for reconstitution, my lord.
Sir.
That is been suppressed, my lord.
Acha, who is this Veronica?
Yes, my lord. Response number 4, my lord.
She's the wife of the brother.
Yes.
She's the wife of
Wife
the.
of the original
the partner.
proprietor.
No.
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 Response number 4, my
She's
lord.
the wife of the partner.
Yes, my lord.
This is partner.
A pro forma respondent.
She's the wife of the
She's the
partner.
wife of my brother-in-law, yes.
But this
So-
is the application for reconstitution on 11/5, my lord, they have filed, my lord. Both the petition number 2 and the response number 4, my lord.
No, my lord, the constitution proposal has been decided against us. That is why we are before your lordships. I do not know what submission my learned friend is making regarding who is before your lordships. My lord, eventually it
No,
has
no.
ended in 30.
You're wrong. You're wrong. The letter that they have sent is of 30 May. And
35,
your application is 11 May. Your application is prior to their letter.
No, my lord. No, our, that we have annexed. If your lordship should,
It is not an ex, my lord.
no, if your lordship would kindly come to page number 56.
Yes.
Yes. They are referring to me, Lord, kindly see. Reply against your letter dated 2/5/24. Am I clear, my lord? Now please come to page number 50.
No. So 2/5/24. But subsequent to this 2/5/24,
Huh,
you have asked for a reconstitution
huh.
on 11/5. Anyway, what we'll do is we'll issue notice.
Yes,
At
Let
the
the
same
file
time, pray for a notice only, my
We'll
lord.
issue notice, let
Only
the,
thing is, my lord, as it is continuing now presently, that thing should continue.
they're seeking a declaration, my lord.
Huh?
They're seeking a declaration, my lord.
what declaration?
Yes, my lord. Kindly see the.
Of course, I am seeking a declaration. Where is the bar?
Not a civil code, my lord.
when you take a stand that I should form a partnership, then
No,
that
no,
is
we need only,
permissible.
my lord, NOC from the legal heirs, my lord.
Ah.
It is their agreement, my lord.
You see, this, there has to, I'm quite sure there must be a distributorship agreement also.
Yes, my lord.
Yes,
Now, what has been stated
that
in the
was
distributorship?
originally in the name of my late husband. That was a proprietorship.
Then after reconstitution of
After
that,
that, I entered into a partnership with my brother-in-law. He's also no more.
no, but what was the reason for entering into a partnership? Because we cannot go, because the
No,
reason,
my lord.
there must be a reason for
So
entering into
whatever
a
it is,
partnership.
my lord, they accepted that.
Ah.
It is not the case of the oil company
Ah.
that they objected to my brother, I inducting my brother-in-law. Please continue.
That is not there.
Ah.
I just want to know what is the reason that you entered into? You could have, now you want to do solo. You want to do proprietorship.
My lord, these are all family matters, my lord. Let us not bring in.
No, because you see, what I'm saying is that
No,
now
we have stated
when
under what?
one partner has gone, that partner might be having children, might be having wife who maybe want to be a part of the partnership.
My lord, question is if the law permits that the surviving, the persons of the partner who died, then there is no problem. That we are not objecting. Oil company is taking a stand. We cannot, recognize you as a proprietor. We are against that stand. We are not against
But
anybody else.
this application is there by you
Then
and
I'll see. Yeah, please.
okay, so we'll issue notice on.
At this stage, I'm praying for a notice only, my lord. Only thing is, my lord, will make the notice returnable because it requires some early disposal. Meanwhile, my lord, let them file their affidavit. We will file our reply. Lordship will take a call.
Heard Mr. K. N. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Ms.
As Chakraborty.
S. Chakrabarti, who submits that the petitioner number 1 is a petrol pump in Aizawl, Mizoram. The petitioner, the petrol pump was being run by the wife of the petitioner number 2 as a proprietary concern. Correct?
Yes.
Full stop. However,
Now, run by my.
earlier, however, on the death of the husband of the petitioner number 2, there was a reconstitution of the petrol pump.
Yes, sir.
Whereby
Dealership.
there was a the reconstitution of the dealership of the petrol pump, whereby the petrol pump was being run by the petitioner number 2 and the brother of the brother of the deceased proprietor
Then is
as a partnership. Full stop. The brother bracket partner expired on
once.
13/3/2023.
Yes, 13/3/23.
The petitioner thereafter was thereafter desirous of continuing to run the petrol pump as a proprietary concern in the name of the petitioner number 2. Full stop. However, write the impugned letter dated 30/05/2024 issued by the Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited bracket HPCL, comma, the petitioners have been told to, the petitioner number 2 has been told to settle the differences between the legal heirs of the deceased partner and the petitioner number 2 and to find out a possible solution permissible under the guidelines and norms, or else the corporation would be compelled to take over the retail outlet and run the same. Next part. Mr. S. Bhattakur appearing for the, I just say that, no, before that, right, Mr. K. Chaudhary submits that the impugned letter should be set aside and the petitioner should be allowed to run the petrol pump as a proprietary concern. Inasmuch as the partnership stood dissolved automatically when one partner had expired. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mr. S. Thakur accept notice on behalf of
Response 2 and 3, my lord.
response number 2 and 3, while Ms. Accept notice on behalf of respondent 1. Mr.
Can I pray for an observation, you know? Pendency shall not be a bar for them to exceed to my request. Pendency shall not be.
No, right, no, out here, I do not know what's going to happen.
Yes.
Right. Out here, there are too many things. Mr. S. Thakur submits that an application for reconstitution of the dealership has been made on 11/5/2023 by the petitioner number 2 and
And response number 4, my lord.
respondent number 4.
Only pro forma.
No problem.
I think pro forma, will have.
And respondent number 4. It then should not be a performer.
Yes, my lord. So be my response.
Okay, my lord, let us await what stance he takes depending on that, Lordship will take a call.
That is prior to the impugn letter dated 30/05/2024.
I think 5 of November.
Issue, I've said issue notice, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
We know only about NOC.
Acha, one thing, petitioner will take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 4 by registered post with AD within 3 days. This is the matter after 4 weeks.
My lord, will also kindly give a date after 4.
This is the matter give a date. Yeah, you take steps today. Please, the steps within the course of the day.
We'll take during the course.
Yes.
39 to 41.
Wait, please, your lordship. My lord, the other day, item number 40 and 41, your lordship had passed order. Same order, only the amount will be different. And item number 40 and the non-payment of contractual bill. The SDRF,
We had passed order in which one?
item 40 and 41.
We have passed order.
Yes, day before yesterday, these matters, both these matters were listed before your lordship.
How-
Your lordship had issued a notice. Already issued notice. Similar order in this also is required. These 3 matters are intermittently connected. They
Where
did
is
not-
where is the order that I have passed?
In item number 40, if your lordship kindly see. 40.
So you want the notice to
Same,
be?
same order, my lord. Only amount will be different. 1,85,923.20.
Okay, okay, right. Heard Mr. D. Chakrabarti, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the petitioner's contractual dues amounting to rupees
1,85,923.22 paise.
has not been paid. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Ms. N. Deka, learned counsel, R. Deka accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. Mr. S. Datta, learned counsel accepts notice on behalf of respondents number 2, 5, and 6. Mr. K. Gogoi on behalf of respondent number 7, and Mr. A. Chalia on behalf of respondent number 3. This matter after 4 weeks to enable the respondents to file their affidavit. Pendency of this case will not be a bar for the respondents to make payment of the contractual dues of the petitioner. This matter on, give a date, better, after 4 weeks.
Well, these matters will be coming together, madam.
Naturally, they all like
Obliged.
only in one order, the top.
42.
Instruction was called.
Yes.
Your lordship.
Huh?
No, sir, you can touch it. On third sheet only.
What is withdrawn? That
particular-
impugn order,
That particular. On third it was written.
give him a copy.
My lord, make
No, has been cancelled.
lordship,
By letter dated 3/8.
3/8 lordship. Then directed to lordship by direct tender process lordship.
That is a different thing. First, dispose of. The first paragraph makes it clear. Okay, right. Heard Mr. U Data, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. K Gogoi, learned counsel for
All the respondents.
all the respondents.
No lordship, up to 4 lordship.
For,
1 to 4.
correspondence number 1 to 4. Huh? Then you write. The petitioner's case is that. Then you start from here, the second line of the order. Then you take that first para, second para, third para. Okay. Then you write, Mr. K Gogoi has submitted letter number SCPS bracket G 370/2017/PT-1/635 dated 8/8/2024. Issued by the Joint Secretary to the Government of Assam, W and CD Department, come Senior Additional Member Secretary, SCPS, Assam, which states that the letter allowing the respondent number 5 to supply dietary and non-dietary items for the children and observation home for girls, Jalukbari, and observation home for boys, Boko, has been cancelled. While letter number SCPS bracket G 370/2017/PT-1/633 dated 3/8/2024. Full stop. Next para. In view of the above letter dated 8/8/2024, the writ petition has become infracted. The letter dated 8/8/24 is made a part of the record and marked as annexure X. The writ petition is accordingly closed as infracted.
Madam, there are two cases. One is listed today, madam, this case, and another is listed before court number 2 on
Ah.
Monday, madam.
Okay.
So may I pray to list this matter along
With code number 2,
my lord? On Monday, wrongly listed, my lord.
you want it before code number 2, bench hunting.
Yes, my lord.
Oh, yes.
Again, madam, no, my lord. Again, there, I have to mention there also, my lord, to bring it here.
You asked there to bring it here and you're asking here to bring it, send it there. There's going to be a cross. No, tell me.
On Monday.
No, this is a bench 4 matter or
Which,
not?
madam, it's a best for madam.
Then why is code number, what is code
Wrongly
number
listed
2?
there, my lord.
Code number 2 is not bench 4.
No, madam. It is a matter. Correct.
Because it is not regarding deployment of security purpose, so it is roster bench is bench 4.
Yes,
So why,
that case has been listed wrongly in that bench, my lord.
so why should I ask this case be sent there?
So, my lord, the lordship may,
You want to adjourn?
on this for and fix on Tuesday, my lord.
Milord, the matter may come up on Friday, Milord. The university is the main party, Milord. But the university has not been served a copy. Our name has not been reflected in the cause.
You give,
Milord, it is against the university's order, Milord.
Or kindly on Monday,
So,
my
Milord,
lord.
no copy has been served, Milord. We are not aware about this case, Milord.
Provident fund, why not giving?
My lord, our contract was regarding to deposit the provident fund.
Look, you are the contractor for those security guards.
Yes, my lord.
It's your duty to give the provident
Yes,
fund. Then you give.
But as per the financial bid, if your lordship here pays 36.
No, you see, whether financial bid or not, it is, you are the contractor. Once you are the contractor, manpower contractor, those persons under you, they are your responsibility. You pay.
We'll pay, my lord.
Then Why are you coming here?
Ultimately, they have terminated my contract, my lord.
It is against that order of the university, and university has not been, my lord, served a copy. University is not aware about this filing of this case.
Very smart.
No, no, my lord. We have served them, my lord. Who is the standing counsel for this KK handling, my lord? You are not traceable, my lord. No, my lord.
So you want it next Friday?
On next Tuesday, my lord.
And
They have terminated. Move case, no. Apni move kya opposition? It's my case, my lord, is giving opposition for listing, my lord.
My lord,
They have terminated my
what
case.
is going on, my lord? My lord, the university is the main party. University has not been served a copy.
What-
University
when
name
will
has
you
not
serve?
been
I
reflected.
will serve now, my lord.
Okay,
I
Mr.
don't have any role to
SP
play, my
does
lord.
Huh?
SP does not.
Mr. SP
Does.
Das. Your name is here or not?
No.
Huh? Your Wakalatnama is here?
Yes.
Submitting that it has been surreptitiously, my lord, filed. My lord, the entire question is against the university, and we are not aware about it.
Repeating every time.
You're for the university.
Yes,
We'll serve
I'm the standing counsel of the university.
Mr. SP Das, learned counsel for the petitioner, prays that the matter may be listed on Tuesday. The praise aloud, just release the matter on Tuesday, then you say, Mr. SP Das shall serve a copy of the writ petition.
By today, madam. By today.
How many copies do you need?
My lord, respondent
One, two.
number 1, 3,
Madam,
4,
now one,
and
madam.
5, my lord.
After issuing a notice, I will issue, madam.
I only need one copy right now.
Shall serve a copy of the writ petition to Mr.
PJ Fukan, my lord.
PJ Fukan, standing counsel,
KK Hendik.
KK Handik State
State Open
University,
University.
State Open University, within the course of the day.
Okay, most of that.
Made visual also. My lord, it's a contract for construction.
Your technical bid was disqualified.
Yes,
What, on what ground?
yes. Before lordship considers the ground, if your lordship would kindly come to page number 82, my lord. Work experience. The heading is, it's 2A. Similar work experience. The bidder should have completed in his own name or proportionate share as a member of the joint venture at least one similar work of minimum 150.76 crore during the last 7 years, or at least two work of 60% value. The corresponding value would be 113 crore, or three works of 40% of the estimated cost, and the minimum value should be 75.3 crores. Now, if your lordship will kindly come to the,
So each 40%, you mean each?
supposing my lord, I have completed one work, if it is.
No, no, that much I know, I know.
Yes.
So when you say three works, each work has to be 75.3.
No, my lord,
Huh?
three work, yes, of 75 crore, each
Yeah.
work.
That's
And if it is two work, then at least 113 crore. two work.
each.
Yes. Which is the base. None of that. Evaluation, huh? Mhm. No, that chart. Please, the one we copy which you given. Where this technical evaluation is done. Because yesterday the copy was not legible. Ah. Yes. No. Evaluation যে করেছে আমাকে যে রিজেক্ট করলে আমাকে রিজেক্ট করা পারতো হ্যাঁ this one page 48 Yes, I'm sorry, Miller. Please come to page 48. Photocopy to eligible হয় তো? Meeting of bid evaluation committee. Meeting held on 1/8/24 in the office of the chief engineer. Now, name of the work, construction of so and so. Now, please come to the second subparameter. Committee gone through the documents thoroughly and found discrepancies in between the submitted credential document for support of work experience criteria as per ITT clause number 2, the one I read, by Badri, that is the petitioner, along with their bid with information received from Meghalaya PWD. After threadbare discussion, bid evaluation committee found that the bidder, namely Badri Rai Company, has misrepresented their document. Therefore, committee decided to technically disqualify the bidder as per clause 6A. My lord, the reason which has been given in the technical bid evaluation criteria is, it appears, my lord, apparently the employer or the department, they engage themselves with the government of Meghalaya PWD, and from Meghalaya PWD they obtain some information from which they have derived a satisfaction that the credential which you have given is not correct. Therefore, they have constituted to be a case of misrepresentation. Therefore, they have invoked clause 6A. Now, before I assail this matter, let me place the credential which I have given.
Let's go to clause 6A first.
Okay, yes. Page 85, Miller. Even though bidders may meet the above qualifying criteria, they are subject to be disqualification if they have concealed any information, document which may result in bidder's disqualification, or if any statement, information, document furnished by the bidder or issued by a bank, agency, third party subsequently found to be false or fraudulent or repudiated by the said bank. In such a case, besides the bidder's liability to action under ITT clause 17D of the ITI instruction to tenderer, the bidder is liable to face penalty of banning of business dealing with him by Assam PWD, etc., etc., etc. So, my lord, first of all, it has to be some information which has a bearing on the credential of the bidder, and there must be some either misinformation, misrepresentation, etc., etc. Now, before that, if your lordship would kindly come to page 82, clause 2, which is the clause by which criteria is prescribed, lordship will kindly see there are two kinds of experience. One is work experience, other is physical experience criteria. It may so happen, my lord, the value of the work may be 1,000 crore. But maybe when it comes to physical completion, it could be less. Therefore, they have to be very specific. When they are alleging misrepresentation, then they must be very clear. Their case is what? It is with regard to work experience or is with regard to physical experience. Now, my lord will kindly come to the experience certificates which we have given. Before that, my lord, I'll draw your lordship's attention to one clause. If your lordship will kindly come to page 72. Clause 13.13C.
Page 72.
Page 72, Miller. 13.13.
Yes.
Evaluation of bid is the heading, my lord. Please come to C. If required, employer may ask any such tenderer for clarification, efficient document on his technical bid through Assam e-procurement portal or through email. The tenderer shall furnish the same online In case clarifications are sought through Assam procurement portal or through email, if the clarifications are sought through email. If a tenderer does not submit the clarification document by the specified time, the bid of such tenderer is likely to be rejected. So in case of any Milord confusion, any clarity on anything, then there is a provision for which they never resorted to. Now Milord will kindly come to the documents which we have given. Please come to page 218. One eight ভাল পেজ এটা দিয়া 218 ভাল পেজ এটা Kindly see, my lord, this is Uttar Pradesh Rajyik Nirman Nigam Limited. It's a UP state undertaking, my lord. Construction of new Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building, Shillong.
No, where the roof fell.
Right.
The dome fell down.
Is it?
Came out in the papers.
It is not our part. So it was not part of our contract, I'm told. Anyway, so my lord, construction of new Meghalaya building. Then my lord will kindly come to page 219.
No, it says that to whom it may concern.
Yes, yes,
Page 218.
yes. This is to certify that Badri Rai and Company having his registered office at Station
No,
Road
no, this 218.
219, my lord.
219.
Is the work order. 21 is the work order, my lord.
219.
Is the work order.
This got it to cancel. Okay, 219. No.
Yes. Now I'll have your lordship's kind attention to 219.
Okay.
This is to certify that Badri Rai and Company having his registered office at so-and-so, has executed the following work under UP Rajyik Nigam Limited, which is completed on 7th of November 2023 as per the scope of the work approved by.
No, just a minute. This is unreadable, this page. Work order 19/8/2019.
Yes, my lord.
Oh, why did you? This is 2019. No. 219.
I'm reading now. No, 218 is the work order, my lord.
Correct. 219.
219 is, my lord, is a certificate given regarding work completion.
No.
ঠিক আছে এখন তাতে চাগে Milord will, I'm sorry, Milord, I think there is some mistake in the pagination. Lordship will kindly read that 24/11/23.
Which page? Okay, 220, I think.
220. This is to certify that Messrs. Badri Rai and Company having his registered office at Station Road, PO so-and-so has executed the following work under UP Rajyik Nirman Nigam Limited, which is completed on 7th of November 23 as per scope of the work approved by UPRNNL. Name of the construction of our new Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building. Work order is dated 19/8/19. Total value of the work awarded is 85 crore. Total value of the work completed is 170 crore.
Yes. So,
Yes. Then my lord will kindly come to.
okay, you want to show that you have got the experience.
Exactly, my lord. Please come to my lord, page 221.
Just a minute.
Yes.
19/8/19. Okay, then.
Then my lord will kindly come to page 221.
Yes.
In continuation of the completion certificate dated 24/11/23 issued by this office, this is certifying.
No. Where are you reading?
Page 222, I think it will be, my lord. 1324.
222.
Yes.
In continuation of the completion certificate dated 24/11/23 issued by this office, this is certifying that Badrian Company Dibrugarh has successfully executed a contract work construction of new Meghalaya so-and-so at a cost of rupees so-and-so. Now, my lord will kindly come to page number 224.
Yes.
What about the other one? Yeah, IIT 217. Yeah, we'll come there. Sorry, then Milord will kindly come to page number 217, Milord. So Meghalaya work for 170, that is one. Then Milord will kindly come to page 217. It's a certificate in respect of a work done under IIT Guwahati. Page 217, Milord. It's a to whom it may concern. It is in form T3. Or it may be 218, my lord.
T3, 218, yes.
Yes. Eta page of difference. In continuation of completion certificate dated 18/11/23 issued by this office, this is to certify that Badrian Company has successfully executed contract work construction of 160 unit G+10 F-type residential tower at IIT Guwahati campus at a cost of 156 crore. Am I clear, Milord? Now, Milord will kindly come to page number 224.
Yes.
224, Milord.
Yes.
Yes. Now, this is by Assam Urban Infrastructure Investment Program.
Yes.
This is to certify that Badrian Company has successfully completed the work as Annexure A with their own planning, machinery, equipment, etc., etc., etc. Serial number 10, Milord. Completed value 90 crore. 89 lakhs, 40,000, etc. So, my lord, prima facie, ostensibly, what is evident is I have completed 80% value work of 150 lakhs and above two numbers of work. And my lord,
Just a minute.
yes,
No.
that
One-
IIT
150, only one is required.
one is required. That's what I'm saying.
Hmm.
What I'm saying is, my lord, I have completed work value of 150 and above two works and one work of 90 crore. So I qualified both under that 80% and 40%, 80% work. So, my lord, where is the scope to disqualify me?
No, but then it's not only the completion of that work.
Yes.
They've got to think of whether you did it within the time period. Other factors also they can consider.
No, then they should have sought some clarification, my
I
lord.
don't know, we'll see what.
Yes. Now the issue is, my lord, the difference in price is 14 crore. If the work is given to me, then government of Assam will save 14 crore. And my lord will kindly see when it comes to these certificates, what does the circular say? था ना ये जो देखो बोलना है क्या कैसा करना है how to evaluate the documents, that if it is given by this thing, then it will be okay. Page 18 that if the document is given by the government department, then it will suffice. This is the clause. Would be. Please. 71. No. Anyway, now, my lord, a very interesting aspect in this case is we filed this writ petition on 5th. Sorry, 7th. Today is 9th. No? Simultaneously, my lord, my earnest money has been returned to me. So it has got a significance in this case. Now, Lordship,
When was the financial bid opened?
fifth. My lord, there are requirements, certain informations are to be uploaded, which they don't do. Now kindly see, my lord, please come to page number 68. Was the bottom on at page 68, clause 9.
Yes.
Refund of earnest money. The earnest money of the tenderer shall be refunded as per Finance Department, Government of Assam, OM dated so and so, which is available in the link. B. The earnest money is liable to be forfeited automatically without any notice to the bidder. If after a bid opening, but before expiry of the bid validity, issue of letter of acceptance, whichever is earlier, any bidder, please come to Roman 5. In case any information document which may result in bidder's disqualification is concealed by the bidder, or statements, information, documents furnished by the bidder, or issued by the bank, agency, third party and submitted by the bidder, is subsequently found to be false, or fraudulent, or repudiated by the said agencies. Now, precisely, my lord, when they refer to that Meghalaya PWD, they're perhaps meaning that we have incurred disqualification under this B5. If that be so, how have you refunded the earnest money? Now you want to please us that at least we have not forfeited your security. Now you get lost. This is the case. So therefore, my humble submission is, until your lordship records a satisfaction that everything is all right, lordship will not permit them to proceed with the bond. Now, this is their own case. The fact that, my lord, they have returned my earnest money, that means the proceedings of my lord 1118, they have recorded incorrect things. That I have misrepresented, etc. is wrong. If I had misrepresented, then my earnest money should have been forfeited.
Mr. So at this stage, I can only refer to my lord page 48. This is the my lord minutes of the
Page 48.
yes, technical evaluation committee report. The third para.
Yes.
The committee gone through the document thoroughly and found discrepancies in between the submitted credential documents for support of work experience criteria as per IPC clause 2 by so and so, along with their with the information received from Meghalaya PWD. So there was some query made by the department with the PWD Meghalaya. Some discrepancies have been found.
Can you substantiate this? That's the only issue.
Yes, but of course, when lawsuit will take up on Monday, I can come up with the reports. So, there it will be more effective. Otherwise, it's regarding the construction of some health sector.
The only thing is whether there is some discrepancy in his document. That's
Submitted by the petition.
if it,
With the authority who has actually allotted the work.
I could,
Fine, look, then I can place them. I can place the record on Monday.
My lord, actually, I have done the work under UP, that UP thing, my lord. We haven't done any work under Meghalaya PWD. I don't think Meghalaya PWD can have any say in this matter.
I don't know.
And as per the clause, this certificate is to be issued by the authority under whom I work. That is the clause. Anyway, my lord, my learned friend may, but till then they will not issue the work order, my lord. They have not issued the work order. Let them have the instruction on Monday.
If it is issued also, my lord, it can be executed.
No.
Can be stayed. Let it come on Monday. On Monday we'll decide whether to issue a stay order or not.
No, my lord, today if your lordship doesn't pass an interim order, if they tomorrow Monday, in the meantime, they today during the course of the day issue, my whole purpose will be frustrated.
How?
No, my lord.
Because we can state on Monday also.
No, my lord, my lord, that way lordship will protect the
No,
subject
because-
matter, my lord.
Because right now, you see,
No, my lord,
nothing is.
no, my lord, kindly, I have shown the case. I have given all my documents. Now they say that there is something wrong. Prima facie it is wrong because you have returned my honest money. If I am guilty of some, making wrong statement or misrepresenting them, you should have forfeited me. You should have banned me. That's the enabling. The fact that you have returned my honest money, that means I am not guilty of anything. And kindly see, my lord, the difference is the 14.5 crore.
There is one thing, you have not issued the work order and you have already given the earnest money back to him.
There also I will have the clarification. There will have to be something, Malik.
No,
Otherwise,
it is already deposited in my bank account.
nowadays, Malik, it is done through online process. Earlier, Malik,
correct.
you'll have to apply, you'll have to wait for years, Malik, to have the earnest money funded.
My
Now
lord,
it's
status quo as
automatic.
on today at least should be maintained, my lord.
Well, I can inform the authority not to take any steps. If not issued till.
So you inform.
Then I will inform. On Monday, Lordship will record that, Lordship will consider the interview.
No, no, my lord, in that case, my humble submission would be today at 12:40, my lord. Status quo as on today be maintained, that's all, till Monday. That's all.
Once it is issued.
If it is issued, issued.
Affidavit will come, my lord, reply will come, it will go for months.
No, my lord, it's not that lordship doesn't pass an interim order. Interim orders are being passed in an appropriate case.
No, but this is, you see, out here, the information is very little. So he's bringing everything by
No,
Monday.
no, my lord, my humble submission is lordship should go by the reasons given here.
You see,
The
today.
reasons are that they have obtained some information from
No,
Meghalaya.
one thing, Mr. Chaudhary, you see, if they have already, even if they want, they can always say that they have given the work order and today is a Friday. And tomorrow too they cannot give, Sunday they cannot give, they will not give on Saturday and Sunday.
No, my lord, everything is possible. Everything is possible, my lord. If they want to favor somebody, remember, I also represented the government for fairly long period. I know, my lord, how it operates. Let us be very clear about it. If they want to favor somebody, there are ways and means. So, my lord, therefore, my lord, lordship will protect the subject matter. That's all.
But if not issued, my lord, then. Others
He is
also
not
may
issued.
indicate.
Today
my
he is
lord,
not issued. He is not issued. Just say, okay, we'll just say status quo as on today.
Yes, status was on today, my lord, till Monday.
Right, Mr. K. Chaudhary, Leonard Senior Counsel for the petitioner, assisted by Mr. Whose name? Huh? Purvesh? Not, who submits that the petitioner's technical bid has been disqualified on the ground that in the meantime, you please correct the pagination.
My lord, we'll do that, my lord.
Sir, if a copy may be served to me so that.
Yes.
Immediately.
Yes.
We'll give, today give.
On the ground that on the ground that discrepancies were found in the document submitted by the petition, and as such, the committee, tender evaluation, the bid evaluation committee disqualified the petitioner's technical bid as per ITT clause number 6 bracket small a. Full stop.
83.
The petitioner's counsel submits that in terms of clause 2. Clause 2 of what? What is this? Clause 2 of page 82?
My lord, it's part of the bid, my lord.
I know, but clause 2 of what? There's so many.
Qualifying criteria.
Clause 2 of the qualifying criteria for works contract under the NIT.
So many names.
The petitioner had fulfilled the work experience provided therein. He has also taken this court to the online. No, also taking this quote to clause 9 of the clause 9 of the NIT. No, clause 9 of the of the NIT.
Yes.
9 bracket B bracket B, 5, Roman 5. Wherein it is provided that in case any information / document which may result in the bidder's disqualification is concealed by the bidder, or any statement / information / document furnished by the bidder is subsequently found to be false or fraudulent or repudiated, earnest money is liable to be forfeited automatically and without notice to the bidder. He submits that the petitioner has, however, been given back his earnest money on 7/8/2024, which gives a lie to the reason for disqualification of the petitioner's technical bid as provided in the minutes of the bid evaluation committee meeting held on 1/8/2024, bracket page 48. He has also shown this court various documents which shows that he has the work experience required under clause
2A.
2A. Bracket
I and
page
3.
82, of the qualifying criteria for work contracts under the NIT. Okay. Mr. B. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the PWD submits that he will produce the records on Monday
Relating to the technical bit, right?
relating to the technical bid. He also submits that no work order will be issued if not issued by now. So, sir, this is the matter on
So
Monday.
my submission also will record the status.
Okay, don't say that. Don't
ultimately
say Mr. B. Gogoi, The last question, don't say. This is the matter on Monday. Status quo as on today shall be maintained till Monday.
Malad, registry may be permitted to correct as the pagination and all, Malad, or we'll do in court, Malad.
You correct your page as per this.
Okay, okay. Oh, they have to correct the. Correct. Deep level.
I do 15 for admission.
Item 15.
May I please, your lordship? This is regarding, my lord, release
Are
of.
you filing reply?
My lord,
On the last date, it has been recorded, Mr. J. Sharma has prayed for 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply. Are you filing a reply?
PDP in reply, my lord, I have a copy. I have a copy for my. My lord, short time, my lord, I am sorry, my lord. I have a copy, but I am sorry, my lord. I have a copy, I'll file it, my. Perhaps, sorry.
Mr. J. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that affidavit in reply will be filed within
2 weeks.
Within 2 weeks. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Okay.
No affidavit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, who is appearing for the BTC? What to do? You drag those councils here. Otherwise, we cannot decide. After some time.
In this matter, my lord, Mr. Dina needs some accommodation today, my lord.
Why? What happened?
He's not coming today for some personal difficulty.
No one appears for the petition on the prayer for adjournment made on behalf of, yes, you're there, Mr. Gogoi.
My lord,
Oh, very good.
but here I am appearing for PWD, but
Yes.
some accommodation, some not actually.
Why?
Actually, Dina was appearing here, handed over the file to me to pay for some.
Okay. On the
On-
prayer for
on Friday,
adjournment
madam.
made on behalf of Mr. Dinath, Learned Council for the PWD. This is the matter after 2 weeks.
No, let it be Friday also, only the amount, whether it is admitted or not, that again, I'm saying.
Okay, not Friday, list the matter on, give a date, 8, 9, 20. 20.
Item number 19, I was appearing.
19, oh. Yes, Mr. Gogoi, okay, he's there.
I'm sorry, madam. Madam, there, 1 year has passed, but they have not filed their application.
Mr. Dinath has asked for accommodation this time.
On
Okay.
20th.
I'm very. Okay. 19, huh? We just say instead of. So it just say Mr. J. Patwari appear for the petition.
Deeply.
In this matter, my lord, some more time is required, my lord. We will also communicate, my lord.
Okay, Mr. M. Chetia, Learned Council for the respondents is granted
2 weeks time, my lord.
2 weeks time to file affidavit with regard to the hiring charges claimed by the petition.
Not kindly, that may be fixed.
You will take it.
Deeply obliged. 21.
Respondent is supposed to file affidavit.
Huh? Yes.
Respondent is supposed
Who
to
is
file it.
appearing? PWD.
Lordship, may I kindly take it off after some time, if possible? We don't have the file for this, Lordship.
After some time. Next. After some time.
MB 60.
This also after some time.
Lordship, some accommodation missed the item, Lordship.
Okay, Mr. B. Chowdhury, Learned Standing Council, BTC.
Yes, ma'am.
And who, Ms. Yaja,
PhD department.
are you filing anything?
No.
Is granted how much time? 2 weeks time to file affidavit. This is the matter after 2 weeks.
Probably.
22.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, we have not received our instruction, your Lordship.
Miss,
Lordship, J. Bora, Lordship, Lordship.
you're the main person.
Lordship, I'm on behalf of S. Dr. Lordship.
So S. Data is the main person. PNAD is the main person. Miss
J. Bora, Lordship.
J. Bora appearing for Mr. S. Data, Learned Council for the respondent number
Respondent number, Lordship, 2 and 6, Lordship.
2 and 6. And Mr. G. Bokalian are granted. How much time?
Lordship,
Madam, we have our instruction.
Oh, let me see. Okay?
My lord, we have written to the PNRD department to release the fund, but fund has not been released yet.
Oh, very good. That's enough.
That PNRD department is yet to release, Lordship. The second election is here, arriving in this month only.
What is arriving?
This election was for 17-18, Panchayat elections, and the next elections is due by end of this year, Lordship. But still the payments are pending for the previous elections, Lordship. There's been repeated communication from the Deputy Commissioner to the PNRD department. We have also enclosed the communication, Lordship. But there is no response for release of them.
You see, Mr. Council, you are in a hurry. This is a supply made in 2018. And when did you file this writ petition?
2024.
24. Now suddenly you want everything to take place at the speed of sound.
No, we are not on that, only speaking on the instructions, Lordship, because repeatedly we've been making representations with the Deputy Commissioner. And from the commission.
We are taking up your matter, Mr. Khan. In
Lordship.
fact, we have come to this court after 6 years.
True.
Then wait a little bit, give them some time. Miss
With J. Bora Lordship.
J. Bora appearing for Mr. S. Datta,
Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the PNRD, is granted 2 weeks time,
Lordship, 3 weeks time.
3 weeks time to file affidavit. Full stop. Mr. G. Bokaliel, Learned Counsel for the respondents number
1, 4 and 5.
1, 4 and
Five.
5. Submits. Just a minute. Submits that he has been given parawise comments from the Office of the District Commissioner Nalbari, white letter dated 10/6/2024, wherein the proposal for reimbursement of pending liabilities in respect of the present case has already been submitted to the PNRD department. White office letter dated 9/9/2022 and 4/3/2024. Once fund is received, pending liabilities will be dispersed accordingly. So you have admitted the amount. Huh? You bring these letters. Is it here?
One letter is followed.
Next. Mr. G. Bokaliel shall produce office letter number NDP bracket PE bracket close 54/2019/71/591 dated 9/8/2021, which is reflected in the letter dated 4/3/2024 issued by the District Commissioner Nalbari. Then you write. I'm going to keep this. Or you have to give it back to you. You want it back?
I'll take one Xerox copy.
Huh?
I will take one there.
Huh?
One Xerox copy I will take.
Oh.
Okay.
The letter dated 10/6/2024 issued by the District Commissioner Nalbari along with the parawise comments and letter dated 4/3/24 issued by the District Commissioner Nalbari is made a part of the record and marked as Annexure X collectively. If you want, you can take a photo with your mobile. List the matter. Give a date. You bring that letter, we can dispose of the matter.
Same issue, Lordship, 23.
Anywhere, the letter out there.
In fact, 23.
No, okay, you have no instructions.
Extra copy among the other. So we have not served any extra copy.
Huh?
In this matter, we have not served any extra copy. For notice.
Already served, Lordship. In the government office, we have already served, Lord.
Government of PP. Yes,
I mean, why are you worried about just
Serve again,
10
Lordship.
rupees? 10,
Serve
20
again, Lord.
rupees.
PNRD. Among
Miss
J. Bora Lordship.
appearing for Miss S. Datta, Learned Counsel for the PNRD, and Mr. G. Bokaliel, appearing for the response number 1 and 4 are granted Who you are appearing for? Are you filing anything? No. I granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Mr. A.N.I. Hussain appears for the respondent number 3. Respondent number 3. Then in the earlier matter, you are for respondent number 3 also. In both respondent number 3. So you just stay, huh? No.
Extra copy maybe, sir. I'll do experiment.
Extra copy of the writ petition be served to Mr. G. Bokalial during the course of this.
Lordship, item 38 is similar, so it can kindly be taken up.
38.
Same issue, same mistake.
Similar to instruction is not received.
Okay, same order, huh? Same order you give. Same order as the last order in this. 38.
Much obliged.
I'm obliged, Lordship.
24.
In this case, the Learned Council for the Fisheries Department were asked to file their counter affidavit within 2 weeks, but it has been more than 2 months, Your Lordship. They have not filed the same, and also the matter was not listed. The
What
Lordship,
to do?
the Lordship
I
may-
think Mr. Sharma has got some yes, personal problem with it. In the morning, you must say. Did you participate in the tender?
Yes, Lordship, in the new tender, we have participated, and we are also in the, according to the party, we are in the number 1 highest bidder.
Okay.
And we are not, with the terms and condition of the new, notification that came, we are not with it. We are with the other.
Yeah.
So,
As per the new terms
the
and
notification
conditions,
that
you
they
cannot
have
be,
given the new order.
you cannot be settled with the
No, no,
fishery.
no, it cannot be settled because they have issued that they cannot complain if somebody comes and they do fishery in there without any permission. Bolpurvak Babe, this has been written
Huh?
there. They have written some orders therein that if somebody comes in the fishery and they go and do fishing without any permission, nobody can complain about it. There are some terms and conditions that were given in the new notification that we do not agree with it. And moreover, the 10% that they included, that was not in the earlier notification.
Anyway, what to do? Mr. Sharma is not here. He has taken a adjournment today. In the morning, he took adjournment.
Kindly date may be fixed, Your Lordship.
Okay, leave this matter. Next week you give. Next Friday. This is the matter on 16th. Okay. As Mr. P. Sharma had is out of station. Is absent due to some personal difficulty.
Public.
Wait, then what is the next?
This also might not be signed. 25.
25.
Oh.
Yes, Mr. Pathak.
Wait, please. Lord, this is also a fishery matter.
The problem is Mr. P. Sharma.
I'm told right now.
Huh?
I have hardly tried.
In the morning he had
Mention something.
adjourned.
So because my interim order was passed on 15/7/2024.
Okay.
So it should continue, let it come any day, my lord, because no private respondent, nothing.
Correct.
Government were actually supposed to file an affidavit. They have not done anything. So let it.
Mr. P. Pathak appears, Mr. P. Pathak Senior Counsel appears for the petitioner. However, adjournment prayer has been made by Mr. P. Sharma at the start of the day due to some personal problem. Accordingly, leave this matter. When? Next Friday? Leave this matter on 16th. Interim order to continue till then.
I would like to withdraw this matter since we are not being able to communicate with the petitioner. I would like to withdraw this, the liberty to file fresh if any grievance.
Huh?
With liberty to file a fresh.
Okay, Mr. R. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner, says that he may be allowed to withdraw the petition. The petitioners. With liberty to file a fresh. Mr. K. Gogoi appears for the respondent. the prayer of the petitioner's counsel is allowed. The writ petition is dismissed as withdrawn, come up with liberty of paper.
Over.
27 and 28.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. R.M. Das, Your Lordship. So actually, the client has taken the brief from us, Your Lordship. We are no longer in the case, Your Lordship.
Okay, no longer in the case.
No, Your Lordship.
So what to do? Okay, right. Ms.
Ardeka.
Ardeka
on behalf
submits
of
that
R.M. Das.
the client has taken the brief from them. And accordingly, Mr. R.M. Das will not be appearing for the petitioner any longer. Mr. R.M. Das should submit a letter to this effect to the registry of this court. This is the matter after 4 weeks.
Oh, blood.
32.
What happened in the meeting?
Lordship, today is the date fixed for joint verification with NHIDCL authorities. Lordship, it's going on today.
Okay.
And the petitioner's land is not published in the 3D notification, Lordship.
Not
They-
published
Not published, Lordship.
in
And
the 3G notification,
Yeah, 3D
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 notification.
notification,
Ah,
Lordship. And the amount is also not deposited with regard to the petitioner.
Okay, right. No one appears for the petitioner on call. Miss S. Kemprai appears for the BTC.
No, KAC, Lordship.
Ah, KAC. And submits that verification of the petitioner's land is being held today
Yes, sir.
by the authorities
Yes, sir.
along with the petitioner,
Along with the NHIDCL authority.
along with the NHIDCL. You're not there in the, you did not go for the spot verification.
Yeah, no spot verification, they did not tell anything.
They did not tell
The
you.
petitioner has appeared before the respondent number 7.
Then what happened?
Then the respondent 7 told the petitioner that they will fix date on 28 August because respondent number 10 has not appeared that day.
Who's respondent number 10?
Private respondent.
Lordship, and above all, they-
After the person who is also claiming that.
Yes, yes, Lord.
Lordship, and they have not submitted the original
Original?
patta.
No, he went with that original documents and Xerox documents, okay? Then he asked the respondent number 7 that whether which one I have to submit. Respondent said, it's okay, you can give me the Xerox on.
Okay.
Because respondent number 10 has not
Okay,
appeared.
right. Heard Ms. KLR Yanthan, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. S. Kemprai for the KAC. Ms. KLR Yanthan submits that the petitioner met the respondent number 7 in his office on 2/8/2024. However, the respondent number 7 did not attend the meeting. He
Lordship,
submits that the petitioner had taken both the original and photocopy of the land document. And as the respondent number 7 had stated that the petitioner could submit the photocopy
Yes, Lordship.
of the land documents, the photocopy was submitted.
Yes,
Full
Lordship.
stop. She submits that as respondent number 10 did not appear in the office of the respondent number 7, the next date fixed for the next meeting is on 28 August.
Yes, Lordship.
2020. Full stop. Next para. Ms. S. Kemprai, learned counsel for the KAC, on the other hand, submits that today has been fixed for spot verification of the petitioner's land by the authorities and along with the NHIDCL. Full stop. And then what else?
Lordship, my instruction is I have this copy, Lordship, whereby they have been instructed to furnish the original copy of the periodic patta.
We will furnish
Lordship.
on the next day.
And
Give me that.
and the date has been fixed on 28.
Ms. Para, Ms. S. Kemprai also submits that this is to whom? Rosa Roshi
Is
Kopki.
the petitioner.
I said this to you.
Yes, Lord.
So submits that letter dated 7/8/2024 has been issued to the petitioner by the respondent number 7, asking her to furnish the original periodic pata number 30 of village Nahorjan on 28/8/24. Pusta. Ms. Kera Rianthan submits that the original periodic pata will be submitted on 28/8/2024. This, yes, your phone?
Lordship, I am appearing correspondent number 1 and 2, Lordship. And my humble submission is that we have deposited all the amount to Kala, Lordship.
That you have already said.
Lordship, that is our stand on.
Acha, one more thing.
Then is regarding periodic patta 30
Ah.
and the person who has been published in the 3D, it's periodic patta 70 Lordship.
Okay, right. Ms. S. Kemprai further submits that the petitioner's land has not been mentioned in the 3D award,
3D.
3D, in the notification issued under 3D of the,
Of the gazette notification.
Huh?
Gazette notification, Lordship. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways.
National Highways Act, or the National Highways Act. What?
Minis-
Huh?
Gazette notification published by Ministry of.
In the
Road
Gazette notification dated
Dated 14 February 2022.
14 February 22, issued by the,
That is 3A. Seven. 3A, 3A.
huh? Is that part of the records?
Yes,
Yes,
Lordship.
Lordship.
Where, which page?
Next in affidavit in opposition.
No, no.
Okay, don't write that, don't write that, anyway. List the matter and give a date in September.
24th March, Lordship, 2022.
Huh?
24th March, 2022.
Anyway, but then her land is the one which is affected according to her.
Yes. She has annexed it in her petition.
This is the matter, give a date.
Last occasion, Your Lordship, I sought time to file an additional affidavit. I have procured the information regarding the search sheet, the number and everything I have, so I need just 1 week time to file that.
What about who's appearing for Birin?
Rina, none has appeared. They have served a notice upon them.
Huh?
The notice has already been served on them, but none has appeared. No one has appeared from Rina.
What to do? Birina is under you, no?
No. Rina is not appeared. Rina is that loss, from where they have shown that they have got the work experience. It's another private.
Okay. So, Mr.
PK Sharma.
PK Sharma, Land Council for the respondent number 2 to 5 is granted how much?
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time to file affidavit in position. This is the matter. Affidavit in position or
Additional
additional?
affidavit.
Additional affidavit. This is the matter of 2 weeks.
Oh.
Next,
Lordship, interim may be extended.
interim to continue to the next.
26.
Much of it.
This matter, I'm appearing for respondent number 1, 2, and 4, the corporation, Your Lordship. Their grievance is that we have not released the performance security.
Correct.
We have already done that, Your Lordship. We might not be aware.
Let him see it.
Well, actually, my petitioner is now some medical problem on that.
That's why it's good contact. Okay. So you are, that's okay. That is okay. Mr. L and the Land Council for the petition submits that he has been given documents today by Mr.
PK Sharma.
PK Sharma, Land Council for the respondents
1, 2, and 4.
1, 2, and 4, showing that the performance security has been given back in full to the petition.
Yes.
As per my 16 lakhs 50 cents of amount.
How much that is?
My, my lord, was a total, my lord, 19,82,647, my lord. And my lord, here, my lord, expected, my lord, 16,57,852, my lord. Maybe, my lord, some amount, my lord.
এইটো চাওক আপোনাৰ prayer number 1 10 লাখ এইটো 10 লাখ এইটো 9,82,000 আছে স্কিম কেনেকৈ হ'ল বেছিহে পালে
No, total to that.
You see, you are claiming a 9,82,000.
What happened, my lord, the estimated amount of total amount, my lord, I have already paid, my lord. But in every amount, my lord, part payment, my lord, the 5%, my lord, deduct as a my lord performance here kind of. So that, my lord, the total amount, my lord, 19,82,000.
That is not in your writ petition. That is not your prayer in your writ petition. From where?
My lord, the para 2, my lord, in prayer, my lord. Prayer, my lord, page 17, my lord.
Yes.
And paragraph 10 also, my lord, I have stated, my lord.
Show me that document.
Lord.
এইটো লওক second page takes care of prayer number 1 Roman 1 second page first page is 16 lakhs that I am also not aware how it
What prayer number 1?
page number 2 that is 8 lakhs 2 lakhs 2 amounts were shown here okay 8 lakhs
8
that
10
take-
lakhs.
that
10 lakhs.
takes care of prayer number 1 Roman 1 10 lakhs another is 16 lakhs so they
16 lakhs. Out here it's claiming only 9 lakhs.
9 lakhs so maybe 9 plus 10 19 I am also not aware I'll have to take
No. Because these are both August. This is both August 24.
Yes.
This writ petition has been filed in the date is of
Notice was issued, my lord, on 12.
no, this was of January 24.
yes
So you see,
after
this is
filing of after filing of it
so instead, so he's claiming 19 lakhs. You have given him 26 lakhs.
not 26 I think it's total 16 I can take the breakup and if required I can file an affidavit also
How you file affidavit?
that will be better you know.
Okay. Don't say the right, Mr.
PK Sharma
Huh?
PK Sharma for 1 2 and 4
PK Sharma, correspondence number 1, 2, and 4 shall file an affidavit regarding the payments made to the petitioner. Now, regarding the performance security paid to the petitioner, refunded to the petitioner
yes
within a week.
within a week
This is the matter on
any date you want 30 over that's okay right 37
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, service is awaited.
service awaited.
Yes, lordship.
What to do?
Lordship, it's.
When was notice issued? 22/5 if May, my madam. Now 3 months have gone.
Yes, lordship.
Okay, right.
Sometime is,
Office note
as per office note.
indicates that there will be no return of ID card or unserved notice from the respondent,
Yes,
from the sole respondent.
lordship, fix another day.
On the prayer of the petitioner's counsel, this is the matter after 2 weeks.
February 21
My lord, this matter pertains to non-payment of contractor's bill, my lord. I'm here praying for 10 days time to obtain our instruction, my lord.
No one appears for the petitioner on call. Mr.
H. Burwa on behalf of P. Gogoi.
H. Verma on behalf of Mr. P. Gogoi. He is granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit.
To obtain instructions, my lord.
To obtain instructions and file affidavit if necessary. This is a matter of 2 weeks.
File your bills.
So we're finished. Oh, Mr. Gogoi, you have written another book. I mean, not written as such, but we have compiled with amendment. Good, thank you.